In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs cute. We'll keep everything simple and practical so your documents look adorable while staying easy to read. You only need to focus on three things: fonts, colors, and headers. Start by picking a cute font, open your document, click the font menu, and try rounded, friendly options like Arial Rounded Empty Bold, Comic Nue, Quicksand, Comforta, Lexand, or Poppins. If you don't see these in the list, you can add more fonts via Font, More Fonts, then search and add the ones you like. A great tip is to use one font for body text and a second, slightly more playful one for headings. Keep the body size comfortable, usually 11 to 12 points, and use a larger size or a heavier weight for headings so the structure feels clear. If your font looks cramped, gently increase line spacing to 1.15 or 1.2 for a softer feel without losing clarity. Next, bring everything together with a cute color palette. Choose 2 to 4 matching colors and stick with them consistently. Pastels are a popular choice. Think pastel pink F8C8DC, lavender D8B4F8, sage green CFE1B9, and baby blue BDE0FE. In Google Docs, you can add these by selecting text, opening the text color menu, choosing custom, and pasting the hex code. Use your most saturated color for main headings, a softer accent for subheadings, and keep body text in a dark neutral for readability. For dividers, create a simple line of dashes or underscores, select it, and color it with one of your palette shades. For tables, insert a small table, then open Table Properties to set a light cell background and a subtle border color from your palette. Keep the contrast gentle but readable, especially for any important information. Finally, add cute headers to set the tone. Instead of a plain title, try something like Daily Journal, Study Notes, or To-Do List. Type your title, center it, choose your heading font, and apply your primary color. If you want consistent styling across the document, set it as a heading style, then update the style to match so every heading looks identical with one click. Keep decoration tasteful. 1 or 2 emojis are plenty so your document feels charming, not cluttered. That's it: a friendly font, a cohesive palette, and a cute header. Save your palette and styles in this doc as a template so you can reuse the look anytime. Have fun making your Google Docs cute, polished, and totally you.